Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to compress a PDF file right here on your iPhone. It's easier than you might think. First things first, we need to get that PDF file into the Files app. That's where the magic happens. For this example, I'm going to open my Mail app and download a PDF that I sent to myself. So I'm clicking on the download button and then Save Attachment. Now, it's asking where to save it. I'm going to choose on my iPhone, and I'll save it to the Photos folder. Then tap Save in the top right corner. Alright, PDF saved. Now we need to find it and compress it. Open the Files app and locate the PDF you just saved. Once you found it, press and hold on the PDF file. A menu should pop up. Now, tap on Compress. Give it a few seconds. Voila! It's compressed into a zip folder. As you can see, the file size has decreased, in my case from 4 megabytes to 3.9 megabytes. If your original file is larger, you'll likely see a bigger reduction. This may vary depending on individual files. Now that we've compressed the PDF into a zip file, press and hold on the zip file. Then tap on Share. From here you can share it just like you normally would. And that's it. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips. Thanks for watching.